Most budgets fail ADHD brains for one reason. They ask you to run the numbers. This is the ADHD Money and Budget Command Center, a spreadsheet that runs them for you. 12 connected tabs, one COM number on top. What's actually safe to spend until payday? You log a purchase in 10 seconds. Everything else, bills, countdowns, streaks, savings, computes itself. Somewhere on your phone is a budget app with 40 categories, logged out since February. That app assumed the problem was discipline. It wasn't. It was friction. So meet Sam, the sample saver who ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. Every number in this video comes from Sam's real, recalculated workbook. And one rule runs the whole sheet. You only ever type in the warm cells. This is Money Today, the only tab you need each morning. Sam opens it and the sheet has already done the math. $214.37 safe to spend until payday, July 24th, 8 days out. That's not a guess. It's the paycheck bucket minus what's already spent this period, $363.13 of the $577.50. And it even whispers the pace. About $26.80 a day keeps you landing. Under the number, 5 quiet chips carry the whole story. 3 bills bite before payday, $244.39, already reserved. 487 kept by the parking lot. A 12-day logging streak. 4 of 8 badges. $1,045 sitting in the jars. One glance, zero math. Paycheck Autopilot. Tell it once, $16.50, biweekly, and every payday the check splits itself 3 ways. 55% to the bill's reserve, $907.50, so due dates never surprise you. 35%, $577.50, yours to live on, guilt-free. 10% to the jars. Weekly, biweekly, every 4 weeks, or monthly. It speaks your paycheck's language. And the no-shame math is printed on the tab. Overspend, and the number goes down, not red. Next payday, it resets by itself. Bills and Autopay. 9 bills, $2,017.89 a month, and every one counts itself down. The 3 that land before payday glow: electric in 2 days, internet in 4, phone in 6. The $244.39 the reserve has already set aside. Green Autopay chips mean not your job to remember. 5 of the 9 handle themselves. Nothing here asks for willpower. It just tells you what's next. The impulse parking lot, the tab this file is built around. See something you want. Don't fight it. Park it. The sheet starts a 48-hour clock and does the waiting for you. When the cooling window ends, you decide, buy it guilt-free or skip it, and the sheet banks what you kept. Sam has parked 9 temptations. 6 skipped, $487 kept, counted in green. 1 bought. Running shoes, want level 9, 0 guilt. Buying is allowed. That's the point. 2 are still cooling, wireless earbuds and a standing desk mat, clocks running. The rule sits right on the tab. Nothing gets bought while it's cooling. Not by force, by design. The lot turns restraint into a number you can watch grow. The rest of the room works the same way. Savings jars fill visibly. 1,045 so far. The emergency jar, 78% full. The subscriptions tab is a leak finder. In the sample file, it flags 4 leaks worth $66.42 a month, $797 a year. Debt small wins orders debts smallest first, because finished feels good. Next win, the store card, 340 to go. And the streak counts from your last log, not your longest guilt. Badges never unearn. The wall only goes up. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 1,049 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 formula errors, and passed 27 out of 27 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file. And the box holds 2 full editions, warm light and a true dark mode, the lane's favorite. 1 engine, working in Excel and Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Tonight, type your paycheck and your bills. The Start Here tab takes about 2 minutes. Tomorrow morning you open one tab, and you'll know your number. The ADHD Money and Budget Command Center is $16.97, one time, 12 connected tabs, light and dark editions, free lifetime update.